Okay, this is a quick video on how to attach a Xero Contact Scubber to a Xero Fast Lock angle adapter. Xero Fast Lock angle adapters come with all Xero poles now, and this is a very popular accessory to basically be able to have a Y scrubber on the back here and your brush on the front here. This is also sold in a fast lock version where you can just attach it here to the front as well, but I would kind of suggest doing the Xero version so you can have the back scrub and the brush. When you receive a brand new Xero Contact Scubber, you're also going to receive 4 bolts. You're going to use this bolt when you're using it with the Xero Fast Lock. Okay, so we're going to take these 3 bolts, put them to the side. First thing you're going to want to do is, the way this angle adapter works, I've gone over it before, is that there's this lever here. You open that, untighten it a few times, and that's how you mess with your angle. You do the same thing once the contact scrubber's in there. You tighten it, and then you close the lever for it to not move, right? So what you're gonna do, this is my first time doing it as well, you're gonna untighten this fully. I would suggest holding on to this little bar in here, because this is gonna come out, and just untwist this like so. Try to keep that bar placed in the middle there. Almost out. Okay, we're out. Okay, so then we're going to open up that. We're going to push this guy out. We're going to bring this guy in. We're going to, let's see here, if we're like this, you're going to want to put it like so, so it faces out the back of it. Okay, you're going to want to put this back on it. And then, oop, this is the fun part. Just reattach that. Oh, this is the part that, this part can be a little bit tricky. Have your patience. Okay, and we're going to tighten it back onto the bolt there. Get those at their right angles. Okay, boom. And we're going to close that up. Okay, so now we have our Xero with our Xero Fast Lock. Okay, now you can take this, all right, put this on here so you can have your back scrubber. Boom. You can also tighten these up if you don't want these as loose. I do like them a little bit tighter than this. Just use a screwdriver, and you'll have to hold the nut in there too. But you can make that way. Now, here's the cool thing. You want to use a hybrid brush. Push in on the pin. Boom, we got our hybrid brush. Want to use our boar's hair brush. Boom, got our boar's hair brush. So you can just have one angle adapter all made up with this. You don't have to have this on multiple brushes anymore and be able to use this all together. So really, really easy to change it around. And then what I do, just for some extra fun here, is your hose that's coming from your water fed pole will go inside here, unless you don't like running your hose inside. Perfectly fine. It's all personal preference. I'm gonna bring it out to the old kink that I had there. I'm using the univalve on here. I like to use this little hose clamp. It's a little bit different than the low profile clamps that come with everything, but I find it works a little bit better. Tip I picked up from Luke the window cleaner a long time ago. And then we're just going to tighten this down. Not too taut. And just tighten it to make sure that our hose doesn't pull through. So you can turn, hose pulls through just a little bit. Tighten that up a little bit more. Boom. That is enough as far as that goes. So boom, then this is your whole brush configuration for any job. And you have your contact scrubber, you got your hose, going in here. You also got a swivel, right? I don't have my pencil just hooked up, that's why you see it like that. But that's it really. I just wanted to show you how to connect this contact scrubber to the fast lock inlet adapters. There's no videos out there about that. When you get this Xero contact scrubber, you're also going to get an extra walnut pad to go on it. You can see here, it's just a Velcro pad. You just reattach the new pad like that. But very easy configuration, very easy thing to do. But that is the video on how to put your Xero contact scrubber Euro version on your Xero fast lock. Have a good day. Bye-bye.